Hi, it's Tim from ORACLE-BASE.com. In this video we'll demonstrate the Data Pump LOGTIME parameter. Here we have a normal table level export. We connect to the table owner, specify the table to export, the directory, dump file and log file. The first line of the output includes the start time. The last line includes the end time and elapsed time. We don't know how long each of the steps took. This time we repeat the export command but include the LOGTIME parameter. This was introduced in Oracle 12.1. We set it to all, which writes timestamps for each step to the console and log file. We can now look at the time difference between steps to see how long they took. The LOGTIME parameter has 4 possible values. All writes them to both the log file and the console. None doesn't include timestamps in any output, which is the default. Log file only writes the timestamps to the log file. Status only writes them to the console output. It's a good idea to get into the habit of including the LOGTIME parameter for export and import operations. Thanks for watching. As always, there are links to articles containing lots more information about this subject in the description box below.